Okay, well this is David in the stained glass studio, and this video is sort of about why we don't use lead. We just don't use lead. We just don't like it. Here, a woman gave us this window to fix because the outer bar is pulling away from the edges. Well, there's a reason. It's because it's lead, and lead is the worst thing. Look at this. It's soft and it's pliable. It pulls away. It's not strong. This is not outer bar. This is not zinc outer bar. This is lead, and I can't even take it off the way I can with the regular outer bar. So I have to kind of use these clippers and I'm waiting for my iron to heat up so that I'll be able to, desolder these edges that she soldered in.
That came off.
That's the copper foil
Mm-hmm.
came off. Just horrible stuff. I mean, I'm sure surprised that people do windows without getting any instruction at all on how to. I'm just sort of shocked at how many people will just dive into it without getting any instruction. It's just because there's so much instruction out there. And I mean, who in the world gives you this lead and thinks it's a good idea for the outside of your window? I mean, there's no strength to it. And then you can't even tell if it got stretched or not. Yeah. Well, I'll continue on with this, and then, of course, I'll desolder these edges, these pieces that are still hanging on. Wire desoldered. Then I'll come back and put some decent outer bar on it. Okay. As I was taking the lead off of the window, I thought it was funny that I was able to bend it up and then just twist it back and forth, and it would come right off. And then I discovered that the artist who had worked on this before had only soldered it on the back. There was no what do you call it? No joinery, nothing to hold it on the front. So it looked pretty much like it does here. And, well, that's incorrect. That's not going to hold anything. Of course it was pulling away from from the sides. So now what I'm going to do, I've got to put a little piece of copper foil right in here. You see, this used to have a piece of glass in there, but the piece of foil came off, and so I have to put a new piece of foil right there. And other than that, we're going to have a nice...
It looks a lot better.
This zinc required a little bit of, I had to stretch it with the fid like I always do, but I really had to open it up so that it would fit over some of the spots. And then
I think they were going to be very happy with this.
I'm so tempted to keep on going. See how this foil is it's just not soldered well. I'm wondering if they had the wrong kind of iron. You got to have enough heat in order to go into it, get it done well. Now, this is the front of the window, and this is the top. So I'll be putting rings on the back of here after I cut these slices off. And here's what it's going to look like.
It's kind of a fun window.
It's got some really good choices of glass. There are cracks in the window, a couple of them, but apparently we weren't hired to fix the cracks. So yeah, I think it's a good repair. And I'm kind of doing it as a favor to Greg, because Greg found the person who needed the work.
Okay.
Right, well, we'll see you next time, and thanks for being with us. This has been David and Jeannie with the camera in the stained glass studio, and we hope that your holiday season is a good one. Bye.